Mama! Happy birthday! Happy birthday daw sabi ni Lily. Ingat ka daw po lagi. Happy birthday, Ma. Hinikabang ka na niya. Happy birthday daw.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po and thank you po sa lahat and thank you po sa pag-support din po sa akin and wishing you the most joyous birthday. May this and every year be special, magical, and unforgettable po. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hello po, Mami. Happy birthday po. And more birthday to come and take care always po.
Mami, ¿qué es lo que te pasa? Te siento medio aburrida. Actívate. Que quitamos loco toc, toc, toc. Que quitamos loco toc, toc, toc. Que quitamos loco toc, toc, toc. Tírale paso. Levanta la mano, muéveme los pies, mami.
Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. I said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? Oh, feel like this every time. All these days I feel like you need me. Every kind of person me.
Hi Ma, happy birthday and wish ko sa'yo maging happy ka dyan. Basta kita, maging healthy ka. Tapos kahit may madami kang problem, huwag niyong isipin mo lang. Masaya kami para sa'yo kasi nagpakatatag ka dyan. Sana pa sa pagpabutihan mo dyan. Yun lang Ma, thank you. Bye-bye!
I wanna see her booty go left cheek, right cheek. I wanna see her booty go laila. Baby girl, just move if you want, shake if you want. Sige, looking more, do what you want. Twerk if you want, kapag lahat ng nakatingin, show you why you so fun. Got it from your mama, ass like Coke, taas hanggang baba, ha? Alam ko naman, wala pang katalaga, ha? Hindi ko titigilan yan, hanggang napalagabong na si ate. Sobrang swabe, ang sabahe.
Kaya yumakap siya sa akin at ako'y hinalikan. Nanggigigil siya sa akin, ayaw niya akong tigilan. At ang sabi niya, Andrew, I wanna make love with you. Can you do?
Happy birthday po, Tita. Happy birthday po, Tita.
Go.
Happy birthday po, Tita.
Go.
Happy birthday po, Tita.
Smile, Glee.
If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me. Nobody else. No. ¿Cómo hacer para no quererte? Yeah. Tú, nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto. Para ese cuerpo tuyo que a mí ya me tiene cuco. En un rato te busco. ¿Cómo hacer? Quieren definirka, todos a la meta. I wanna know, don't think about it. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know.